Hi everyone, welcome to Astronumero. Globally, today and tomorrow, we are going to witness the last celestial event for the year 2020. In the spiritual world, this celestial event is considered to be extremely powerful and super positive. It is the full moon night or Purnima as said in India. We are going to witness the full moon in India on the 30th of December at 8:57 pm. And I am here to give you a life-changing remedy which is to be performed on this full moon night. You may perform this remedy every month on the night of full moon. Take a glass jar, a glass bottle, a glass bowl or any glass container. Fill it with water and cover it with a very thin white colored muslin cloth. Place this container under the moonlight. Spend some time in the moonlight, meditate, calm yourself down, and with all your heart and soul, make a wish. And with full faith and belief, you are supposed to visualize that your wish is coming true. It is getting manifested. Once you are done with this process, you can leave the water under the moonlight from 9 pm to 12 pm and then bring it inside your house. Or you may leave this container outside under the moonlight all night. But make sure to bring the water inside the house before sunrise. Make sure that the rays of the sun do not fall on this water. This is because we are activating the water and energizing it with the energy of moon. Okay, now when you get this water inside, you are supposed to fill it up in a glass bottle and consume it daily, little by little with your regular water, or you may also mix it with your bathing water. You can make any wish related to your job, your personal life, love life. It could be even your grades if you are a student. You may also make a wish that you get clear skin. It could be absolutely anything. And when you are consuming this water or using it in any form, you are supposed to visualize that your dreams are coming true. And this manifestation power is going to actually make your wishes come true. And you will start seeing positive changes in a matter of 15 to 20 days. Hope this tip brings miraculous results in your life and changes it completely. Hope all your wishes come true. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more.